next thing we're going to talk about is the general layout of the page. Now, at the moment, we had our general layout of the page in these red lines, and we can kind of work out that the whole page itself, when we had it as a frame, was this. But we actually want our content to live within these red areas, our layout grid. So remember from earlier, we had this comment from Andre that maybe this should be slightly different. So now is the time where we start to work this stuff out. What should it actually look like? Well, for Andre, these gaps between the columns were a little bit too small. So what I'm going to do is just tweak these and basically reset them. So I want the gutter to be a little bit wider. She's a little bit too wide on the page, so I'm going to make my width a little bit smaller, something like 64. Again, my 8-column grid. So again, there's a bit more space between things. It's kind of the same width as before, but now what I can do is work out the entire width here. Now, I could just then go and change my whole designs, but instead what I'm going to do is just quickly work this out using a rectangle. So I've just pressed R as a kind of quick select for here, the rectangle shape, and I'm just going to go to the top and draw how big this rectangle should be. How big is my page? How wide? So my page right now is 1120. So what I'm going to do next is make my whole page this width. So what I'm going to go and do is in my style, I have my body. My body is the basic content container for the whole page itself. So a little bit like the frame would be in Figma, we're going to do the same thing. So the width of this page isn't 620, it's actually a lot more, it's 1120. So I'm going to change this, 1120. So what this will do right now is it will make this obviously a lot wider. What we need to do next is kind of add some space at the top as well, because if you remember from Figma, we'll get rid of this rectangle. This header from the top of the page, if we press Option, is 80. And if we look at the bottom of the page, this is also something like 48. So we're going to add this in as well. So the top at the moment is what? Well, at the top of the moment, again, it's clockwise, top, right, bottom, left is just 40. We're going to increase this to 80. The bottom is 40. We're going to increase this to 48. At the moment, it says auto on the right and left, auto and auto. And basically what this means is this centers the page dependent on the width. So if I just zoom in and out, notice how this changes. I'm zoomed in quite a lot just to make this easier to read. Yours might be in the middle. We can actually change the width of this page to see what is going on. Now, this is fine for desktop view. Later on, we'll talk about the mobile view a little bit more. So let's not worry too much about this just yet. The main thing we want to focus on next is the typography. At the moment, we haven't got the right typeface across the whole page. At the moment, our whole page is in Arial. There's nothing overwriting this. But what we want to do on the final version of this is use the correct typography. So how do we import the fonts?